I'm an optimist. I'm an optimist because I live and I work among all of you, because I see what you do, and because I know the boundless potential of what each of you will do.
You will discover that all of your personal experiences along the way, all those epiphanies you had, all those boundaries you set for yourself or for the sake of your mental health, all of that is defining who you say you are.
To my fellow graduates, do not be afraid to challenge yourself. You might just find out what you are capable of.
This is the fall 2023 graduate class of Auguste Escoffier School of Culinary Arts.